Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm going to read a story for you today. The name of my book is called The Noisy Counting Book by Susan Shade and John Buller. Let's get started. Early one morning, a boy went to fish in a pond. When he got there, he saw a big frog sitting on a rock, and the big frog said, "Gadunk." Two ducks went by, and they said, "Walk, walk." The one big frog said, "Gadunk." Three birds flew by, going tweet, tweet, tweet. The two ducks said, "Walk, walk." And the one big frog said, "Gadunk." Four fish swam by and said, "Blub, blub, blub, blub." Three birds said, "Tweet, tweet, tweet." Two ducks said, "Walk, walk." And one big frog said, "Gadunk." Five crickets said, "Chirp, chirp, 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 chirp." Four fish swam by and said, "Blurb, blurb, blurb, blurb." Three birds flew by and went, "Tweet, tweet, tweet." Two ducks, "Walk, walk." And one big frog, "Gadunk." Six mosquitoes buzzed by, and they went, "Buzz, buzz, 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 buzz." Five crickets, "Chirp, chirp, 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 chirp." Four fish said, "Blurb, blurb, blurb, blurb." Three birds said, "Tweet, tweet, tweet." Two ducks, "Walk, walk." And one big frog, "Gadunk." Buzz, 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 buzz. Chirp, 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 chirp. Four fish, blub, 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 blub. Tweet, 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 walk, walk. One big frog, "Gadunk." And then the boy said, "Quiet!" And everything was quiet except for one big frog who said, "Gadunk." The end. Thanks for joining me today.